The true cost of tariffs. Who pays the price? Tariffs are often painted as a tool to protect domestic industries. But the reality? Tariffs create ripple effects that go far beyond the businesses they're meant to protect. Today, we're diving into the true cost of tariffs and who ultimately pays the price. First, let's look at the consumer. Tariffs may seem like a distant concern, but they directly affect you, the buyer. When tariffs are applied to car imports or parts, the costs climb. The prices of vehicles rise, and consumers like you foot the bill. It's not just manufacturers and consumers who feel the weight of tariffs. Customs brokers, lawyers, and border agents are tasked with handling the complicated paperwork and increased enforcement. The bureaucratic burden grows, creating even more inefficiencies. And finally, the government. Tariffs are supposed to bring in revenue, but managing this increased paperwork comes at a steep cost. More staff and systems are needed to process the influx of goods, and the return on that investment isn't always worth the effort. While tariffs may seem like a solution, the truth is they create a lose-lose situation. The costs rise for consumers, manufacturers are burdened, and governments may not even get the revenue they're hoping for. What's the point of tariffs if they hurt the very people they are supposed to protect? The solution: a better approach to trade that encourages open markets and cooperation, rather than barriers that hurt everyone involved. By embracing free trade agreements and streamlining customs processes, we can protect jobs and industries without the devastating side effects of tariffs. Tariffs may seem like a short-term solution, but they are a long-term problem. Let's rethink how we approach global trade so we can build a better future for everyone. Want to learn more about how global trade impacts you? Subscribe for more insights into the world of tariffs and trade.